Rire, il faudrait rire tout le temps. Hein, il faudrait jamais. C'est l'inverse de pleurer, ou c'est la même chose que pleurer aussi. C'est deux extrêmes qui sont très proches, toujours. Et puis, il faut rire, quoi.
How did I get here? From being everywhere to this lonely existence, frozen in time, paralyzed. Where are my good old friends, the collectors of the times? Where are my children? Why are they not around? Playing, jumping, singing. It is in me to be free, and in you to be you. Yes, you. The lion turns into a kid, creating wonders from debris, looking right into the abyss, with eyes that have no fear, all the wonders at your feet for you to see. We have always been free. We have never ceased to love, laugh, and sing. We must fail. We must persist. We must run, jump, and flip. We must absolutely be. Now, close your eyes, count till 3. 1, 2, 3. This is me. This is me. This is me.